Please don't send this.
We should put some of this up for your sister. Be like, put it all over the walls.
Jessica, you can do it.
No. I'm
They're parents. They're better than parents.
I will call your sister. No, please don't. No, because I would have
They'll
to
be
call her.
pairs.
No.
Pairs.
You know what? You call her. You guys call her and you give permission, and I will supervise. But until then, no. And stop videotaping me, damn it.
This is for real world.
I know, right? I'm gonna send you this videotape of this little girl who's a real firecracker. Yeah, hi. I didn't do it.
His shoe farted. He's dancing the Scottish dance.
Let's make some eggs.
We have eggs?
No, there's no eggs.
Oh. What about milk?
Damn. Yeah, Josh, you have to stop.